Hi everybody, welcome to Carry On Jeff and John. What we're going to be doing is sweet and spicy sausage with rice and peas and chorizo. Now this is going to be absolutely awesome. Right, 6 ounces of chorizo, 3 tablespoons of honey, a cupful of peas. Now these are already cooked. I don't agree with putting frozen peas in the rice and all that, because I don't think they tend to cook properly. So a cupful of peas. You want a lemon zest, which is in there, the juice of 1 lemon, which is in there, 3 tablespoons of whole grain mustard, 3 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of paprika, some cooked rice. Now I've got the link for Perfect Rice. If you want to check that out, it works every single time without fail. And then you want 4 pork sausages. You can use beef, spicy sausage, whatever you want. You can use that. Put your sausages on there like so. Don't forget, your oven's on 200. What we want to do is put some pinholes in your sausages like so. Same the other side. Put your whole grain mustard in, your lemon zest, lemon juice from 1 lemon, your paprika. Totally depends how spicy you want it. I mean, I've used 2 teaspoons. Entirely up to yourself how much paprika. If you like it really hot, then go for the 4. Your honey. Put your sausages in. Coat them in like so. The reason why we put the pinholes in, because what we're doing is we're getting all that flavour in there. We'd want just a little smidgen of oil in your tray. The reason for that is because there's plenty of fat in the sausages anyway, so when they start cooking, it just stops it from sticking to the bottom, that's all. In there like so. Then what we do then, we just spoon it on. Put all that flavour on top of the sausages like that. And all we do then is put them in the oven in there for about 15 to 20 minutes to cook through. Right, I've just given them a shake after about 10 minutes. So they're coming along nice. They're not even stuck to that thing. Give them a shake. It evens itself up. So that's what you've got to do with sausages, or like I say, with chips or anything. Give them a good shake halfway through and they'll never stick to the pan. Now that's another tip for you. Turn that down now to about medium. Chorizo, awesome, can't beat it. Love the smell of chorizo. This recipe is so easy, it's unbelievable. Put your rice in like so. And all we've got to do is just warm that through. It takes about 5-6 minutes. And you can put anything you want in here. You know, if you want to put yourself some chilies in, garlic, some red onion, that's the basis of a Chinese recipe. But it's entirely up to yourself what you want to put in. The same with fried rice. You know, just get your rice, do it, let it cool off. Obviously it's pre-cooked. It's a beaten egg, put it in, get your beaten egg, put it in there, swirl it round, put your rice in, fold it over like I'm doing like that, and that's fried rice. So easy. Now I don't like using metal on metal, but we can excuse it this time, can't we? And there you have sweet, spicy sausage with rice and peas and chorizo. Now, how easy was that? Now, is that a proper waller? This is absolutely awesome. The flavours together, you're gonna love this one.